The Nakamichi Dragon is a groundbreaking home surround sound system that transforms your living space into a cinematic experience. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in description below for pricing details and availability of this home surround sound system. Featuring the world's first wireless 1.4.6 channel configuration, the Dragon delivers immersive audio through its quad 8-inch wireless subwoofers, 7 air motion tweeters, and multiple digital amplifiers. This innovative setup produces rich, deep bass down to 20 Hz and clear, detailed highs that recreate a true-to-life soundstage akin to a movie theater or concert hall. Its 58-inch main soundbar includes 14 speakers, offering a wide sound dispersion that envelopes your room with precision. What truly sets the Nakamichi Dragon apart is its exclusive ProCinema surround engine, which supports up to January 24, 10 Dolby Atmos channels and 30.2 DTS X Pro channels, matching the performance of high-end AV receivers. This allows you to experience multi-dimensional audio with pinpoint accuracy and stunning clarity, whether it's explosions, dialogue, or subtle background effects. The sound system also features advanced technologies such as the PerfectHeight mechanism and adaptive height dispersion, which tailor the vertical sound layers based on your room and seating position to ensure every listener enjoys the optimal audio experience. Installation is a breeze with a completely wireless surround setup that eliminates clutter and the need for complicated wiring or tools. The system also includes Omni-Motion Reference Surround speakers with air motion tweeters that provide breathtaking 360-degree surround sound, immersing you fully in every scene or song. Connectivity options are robust, with 3 HDMI inputs supporting the latest 4K 120 and 8K passthrough standards, optical input, and Bluetooth 5.0 with aptX HD for seamless wireless streaming from your devices. Control of the Nakamichi Dragon is flexible and user-friendly, allowing you to manage settings via the included Bluetooth and IR remote, an on-screen display, or the intuitive Dragon remote app. This level of control ensures you can customize the system's performance to suit your preferences effortlessly. In summary, the Nakamichi Dragon home surround sound system offers cinema-grade sound quality, powerful bass, and cutting-edge technology in a sleek, wireless design that elevates any home entertainment setup to a new level of immersion and enjoyment.